Thompson twins, who were so big back in the 80s, they played the Philadelphia end of the Live Aid concerts in America and were joined on stage by Madonna for that show.
There's loads of great work happening in our schools, colleges, academies and universities.
What have you got to do today? It's this one. Bye.
Check out all 19 categories and nominate an educator.
Maybe at work. Oh, look, have you got? Yeah.
2024.
What's for dinner? I mean, crunchy chicken tenders, salt and pepper crispy shredded chicken, all those pakora chicken tenders. Amazing. No, I'm feeling a little cheeky. Let's do new crispy wasabi chicken, sprinkled with extra wasabi salt. £24.99. Mix any three for 13 quid.
Check online for your local farm foods. There's a farm foodie in everyone.
Ready for a break that has it all? Think to Athens with Jet2 City Breaks. See wonders of ancient history, taste delicious Greek cuisine, explore the stunning coastline, and get it all packaged up. Book Athens now, direct from Manchester Airport with great flight times and just a £60 deposit per person. Jet2 City Breaks. Flight, hotel, city. Patronage or protected, subject to availability and conditions.
Get ready for a world-class hospitality experience like no other. It's the Red Dots Grand National Festival, Thursday the 11th to Saturday the 13th of April. Sit back, relax and embrace some of the excitement as you witness one of the greatest horse racing spectacles on earth.